How to use Skype for international calls. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. And also be noted, Skype has an update for you. So coming from May, Skype will no longer be available and you can go ahead and chat on Teams. Till then, here is how you can do it. First of all, you have to get logged into your Skype account. Tap onto your initial on your top left-hand side. As you do so, you will see Skype to phone. Tap it. Now, in my case, the region does not allow Skype subscriptions, but if you are eligible, if your region is eligible, you will be able to see various subscriptions options. All you have to do is tap on Learn More, select the country where you reside, and then buy a subscription for that. Just like so, this is how you will be able to do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.